Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I'm going to show you some of my top picks that I've chosen from the Lookfantastic website for January. I do this every month with Lookfantastic and I choose products that I absolutely love, so I keep on buying them over and over again, or I spot some new items that I'm dying to try and I share it all with you. This video is kindly sponsored by Lookfantastic and I have a code to share with you, which is DiaryLF, and that will entitle you to receive a discount off everything featured in the video, plus any sales items as well. So as always, you'll find that code listed down below and links to the products featured in the video and any offers and discounts and limited edition boxes that Lookfantastic currently have. You'll find it all listed down there. So you're welcome to take a look if you want to. So it's a bit of a random haul. I have got quite a few things to go through, and if there's anything that you'd like me to do a dedicated video like testing out, then please let me know. But yeah, starting off with something a little bit different, and I'm thinking this might be a good one to do a video actually. It's to do with your hair, especially if you've got thin in hair like me. This is Nanogen. This is a keratin hair fibres. I've got it in shade 07, which is Auburn. It comes in lots of different shades, and it's rare actually to find an Auburn, because I've seen like in shops and online you can get hair root sprays and all that to have actual hair fibres. Just going to mimic the look of hair, but in Auburn. I was really excited. So it's Nanogen fibres are made of 100% keratin based natural fibres. Keratin is the same protein found in hair. They look completely natural, even close up. They merge with your own hair, making it visibly thicker and fuller. They merge by using an electrostatic charge to give instant natural looking hair thickness, which lasts all day with kinetic technology. It sounds really cool, doesn't it? Really cool. So this retails for £29.95, and I will be doing a video on this actually, because there's bound to be a few of you that would love to know what it's like. I've got androgenic type hair loss, so I am thinning around the front there, but all around the sides as well. And the back. I'm wearing a hairpiece at the minute just to thicken my bun out. When I wear my hair up in a bun, then you can see through my hair all of it. It's not super thin, but you can see my scalp then. To be honest, that is okay. It doesn't bother me too much. Thickening sprays, dry shampoos and all that, they all do help. But what I notice more when I'm editing my videos is that my parting just seems as if it's getting wider. It shouldn't be, but I don't know. So I thought this would be a really good thing to try. Well, this is interesting because that is more of an brown, an auburny brown shade, which for me at the moment is great because I have gone darker. It's more of a natural auburn as opposed to like a fiery copper. They haven't got that. It's all like quite natural shades. But yeah, I'm really excited to give that a go. I love the design of it. So look out for a video coming soon of me testing it out. Next up, I got something from one of my favourite ever skincare brands, Medicae. And it's the first time I've ever tried these, so it's new for me. They're blemish control pads, ready to go. Clarifying pads with 2% salicylic acid. There is 20 pads in there. Now these retail for £30, and I suffer from hormonal acne. It's doing okay at the moment. I am switching things up with supplements. I'm eating more healthier. I don't drink alcohol at home anymore. So there are some changes going on as well. But I've got polycystic ovary syndrome. Main aim for this year is to control it. To control my hormones. And then hopefully lose a bit of weight in the meantime as well. I do get a few spots every month, and I've got one coming up there, which is why I've got something else in this box to help me. But what can I tell you? Okay, reveal a visibly clearer and decongested complexion, all in a simple swipe. Each pad is infused with 2% salicylic acid, which is BHA, in an innovative water-based serum to provide effective exfoliation while keeping the skin silky and hydrated. I quite fancy those, so I'll see what they are like on my skin. Next, I got a whop of a hairspray. This is Colour Wow. This is cult favourite firm and flexible hairspray. The professional choice for colour treated hair, super fast drying and strong hold, won't distort colour. There's 295 mils there, and it retails for £24. I might have tried little minis. Maybe we've had like little samples in a subscription box. I can't remember off the top of my head. It's got really good reviews, and I'm being more conscious of what I'm putting on my hair. Colour Wow is a great brand. Just thought I would give that a go. I use hairspray quite often. I use hairspray today just to put my little bits in place. So I do use it now and again. So yeah. Now this is the item I was on about for my spots. You might have seen my previous monthly hauls from Lookfantastic where I've mentioned this before. These are amazing. They are pricey, but they are amazing. This is Zit Sticker Killer Deep Access Patch, and it contains 4 microdot patches and with salicylic acid and 4 cleansing swabs. And this is for a deep zit. So this is a mini pack and it retails for £15. I think in my previous video I had the bigger pack, which was about £27, but my code it brings it down by a couple of pounds as well. So there's only 4 in there, so that means you can only apply it to 4 spots. That's all. But they are amazing. They are really, really, really good. I've got a spot brewing there. I'm not going to touch it, but it's there and I can feel it. Ooh, I hate them. I hate them, hate them, hate them. And I'm going out tomorrow night, going out with my husband for the first time in 8 years. 8 years! So I'm quite excited to go out and to see some friends. The zit needs to go. It just needs to go. And I know this will work. It has a really odd feeling when you first apply it. They're little darts. I can't open them up to show you. There's nothing to see really. Or you have to peel all the packaging off and then the darts are visible then. But obviously I'm not ready to put it on, so I don't want to waste it. It just has such a weird feeling. It's sort of satisfying. You can feel little pricks going into your skin, but it's not painful. It's just like a really nice... Oh, just a really nice feeling. Oh, it's just weird. If you've tried them, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, 100% recommend these if you've got a special occasion coming up. Doesn't really work if it's already come to a head, unfortunately. But yeah, if you've got one brewing, then I 100% recommend. I'm really excited about this. This is brand new from Lumine. This is Serum in Concealer, and I got it in light. There's 3 different shades, and it retails for £17.50. There is also a CC cream as well, which I've bought, not in this haul, but I have bought, and I will be doing a video on that. So when I was choosing my products to do this video, I knew I wanted to try this. I love this brand. It's a Finnish brand. They just do amazing products. They're really, really lovely. And yeah, I'll tell you a little bit more about this then. So squeeze it up like that and then blend it in. Oh, wow, look. That is good coverage. Ooh, yeah, great colour as well. The Serum Infused Concealer hydrates, illuminates and offers buildable coverage for an even finish and radiant Nordic glow. It's ideal for all skin types. It contains Arctic willow herb, Nordic algae, vitamin E, light reflecting pigments and Arctic spring water. It feels really nice on my skin as well. It just feels nice and cooling. And I can sort of see like a dewiness to it. Oh, I cannot wait to try that. It's from their Illumination range and it's a Serum in Concealer. Next I've got a hair trio. This is from Matrix. I've got a shampoo and conditioner and I've got a little heat protection spray there. It's 20 benefits. It's a Miracle Creator. 30 mils. I've got a full-size bottle of this and I really like it, so this is going to go in my ready to go away box. Any small sizes of products that I know I really love, so then I put them all in a box, and then if I go away for the night or a weekend or a week or whatever, then I go through there and take things with me. So that will be going in there. So brilliant, brilliant spray for my hair. I haven't tried these though. These are new for me. The trio retails for £29, but they're currently on sale for £26.10p, and then my code obviously brought it down a bit more. So this is the Instacure Anti-Breakage Shampoo and the Anti-Breakage Conditioner. I haven't tried them before, so they're completely new for me. And there's 300 mils in each. Smells so nice. Yeah. But my hair is very fine, prone to breakage. So I thought, yeah, I love the 20-in-1 spray, the Miracle Spray. I thought I'd give those a go. This is something exciting. I've got a perfume. It's not just any perfume. It's a brand new one from Yves Saint Laurent. And it's a black opium over red. And I got 30 mils. I could not wait to try it. I've already sprayed it. I took the wrapper off, give it a smell, and I love it. Bearing in mind, I'm not the biggest fan of the original. But I do like some of the others I've smelt. Plus Yves Saint Laurent, oh, my favourite perfume is Libra. They do amazing perfumes, plus men's fragrances as well. So the brand, I love the brand. This appealed to me, the fact that it had like cherry in there, cherry blossom. Oh, when I was reading up about it initially, it's a sweet perfume. I was like, nope, okay, no. I decided to read a little bit more into it, and people were saying, no, it's not as sweet as what they imagined, and yeah, they love it. So we're all different, aren't we, in what we love. So my thinking was, if I didn't like it, well, then I would save it. I'll give it to my daughter as a birthday. She's already smelt it. She doesn't know that was my plan. We both had a sniff and she goes, oh, that is gorgeous. So I knew. And then I smelt it and I thought, no, no, it's me, it's for me. I absolutely love it. It comes in 30ml, which is what I've got, 50ml and then 90ml. And the 30ml is £68. I'll get my phone now. Tell you a little bit more about it. A fruity floral interpretation of black opium infused with a juicy cherry accord. Offering a playful twist on the classic black opium fragrance, the Yves Saint Laurent Over Red Eau de Parfum blends juicy cherry with bright florals and black coffee to create a sweet yet thrilling olfactory experience. Laced with mandarin essence, the EDP uplifts the senses with a brightening jasmine and orange blossom elixir, wrapped in the smooth, creamy nuances of vanilla. Finished with earthy patchouli, the refreshing fragrance exudes sensuality. See, that is what hooked me. I thought, oh, it sounds amazing. There. I only sniffed it for the first time this morning. My camera is a little bit skew with. Hold on. I can smell the coffee and I can smell cherry. It is so nice. It is sweet, but then I like fruity florals. That is my fragrance category. But if it's too sweet, then no, I don't like it at all. But no, this is just beautiful. It is really nice. I'm really, really chuffed with that. So yeah. Sorry, Jasmine, my daughter Jasmine. Jasmine's not going to get it. Or I might do. You never know. Or I might get one for herself for her birthday. So a lot of different products this month. I've got makeup, I've got hair care, I've got skincare and perfumes. Some products I love and will continue to use, and some new ones as well. So as I said at the start, if there's anything that you'd like to see me test out on my channel, then as always, please let me know. But yeah, thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.